Neath Port Talbot's town centres offer more than you might think. You'll always get a warm welcome. All right? Do that.
Everything you need is close by.
We have a vibrant, independent scene.
With great places to shop, eat and drink.
My butt.
That's lush, that is.
You're never too far away from arts, culture and music.
You'll be singing this song today!
But you'll always find a peaceful spot to take in the atmosphere.
It's easy to get to our town centres by bus, by train,
on 2 wheels or 4.
Our town centres need your support to keep them thriving.
You'll be glad you stopped by.